So, I had these lucky bamboos in water for more than a year, and I had a problem because they were always dying. They were getting first yellow, then brown, then they died. At the beginning, I had around 12 lucky bamboos. Now I only had 5. I always used bottled water. It had always water, it was never dry. So what I decided to do was put them on potting soil. As you can see, the stalks are very yellow, and they also have yellow stripes. As you can see, it is visible. I watered the soil. And after 1 month, this is how it looks. Immediately you can see it is a lot greener. If you see in the right image how it was before, it was very yellow. In the left side, after 1 month on potting soil, you can see it's better. Also the leaves, they seem greener. And so, as we can see, only 1 month on potting soil and the lucky bamboos got a lot greener and a lot healthier. Then I tried something else. I put the lucky bamboos on a bigger pot just to see what happens. I also separated the roots from each other because they were all tangled, and I pruned the roots because the roots were too big, and pruning the roots gives more strength to the root and prepares the root for a fresh new growth. I also pruned the shoots by taking off some leaves. You don't have to do this, but I choose to do this way to give more strength to the shoots. Now it's ready. Let's wait and see what happens. Maintain the soil always humid. In a month or two, let's see the difference. So here we are, 2 months after having the lucky bamboos on this bigger pot. And one thing we can immediately see is that the stalks are really green. They have a dark green color, which shows that they are very healthy, with lots of good nutrition. And if you push the video to the beginning when it was in water, you can see it had yellow stripes, and now it practically disappeared. And so for me, it is proof that putting the lucky bamboo on potting soil is the best option to have them healthy and not dying. The leaves, honestly, they look the same, not greener. And the shoots, I also don't identify significant growth. So it seems more or less that it has the same size it had before. And okay, it was a good experiment. For me, it was the proof that lucky bamboo and potting soil is the best option. I'm going to finish the video with another experiment. That is, I'm going to make a propagation of a shoot, and I'm going to do it right now in the end of this video. The results of this propagation, I will make a new video to show what happened. When the video of the propagation is done, I'll put it on the comments, and also I'll put it at the end of this video if you want to see it. So let's do it right now. This one over here. So I have to make a quick clean cut down here. Okay, go. Okay, here you go. And then I'm going to put it in water. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to put it in water. Always use drinking water, never use tap water. Okay, and then I will show you what happens. And over here, I know that many people say to cut off this part for a new shoot to grow down here, but I'm gonna let it like this because I think it is possible that new shoots will grow over here on the same place. So and I will make the video showing also if that happens or not. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up on the video. See you next time, and bye bye.